Welcome to the beautiful city of Lisbon here in Portugal. So let me introduce myself to you guys. I work for a cruise ship company, but I'm not sure whether I can say the company's name because we have social media policy. So what we see right now is the tram line, which is laid over all over the city. It's a main form of transportation. You can it's like a hop on, hop off. You can hop in anywhere and hop off anywhere. It's a beautiful thing to do in Lisbon. Coming back to the introduction, we get to go out uh, different kinds of ports, but we have to manage our time. We get breaks every day, we get off, so we just have to manage our time just to explore. So nothing much to say. I'm a crew member. Just when I get my off time, I walk around the city and take some videos. That's it. Now, Portugal is the westernmost country in Europe and also the closest point across the Atlantic to the North America. And Lisbon is Portugal's capital. Here in Lisbon, the climate is mild around the year. Thousands of bars, restaurants with affordable prices here in Lisbon. And also you can do many outdoor activities you can go to the beach. Shopping is very good here in Lisbon. So these are the few things you can do in Lisbon. The transportation here is very easy, you can use bicycles, cabs, electric scooters, buses, trams, the metro, Uber. It's all available here in Lisbon. It's affordable. Tram is the best way to travel here in Lisbon because it's uphill. So even you can find tuk-tuk everywhere here in Lisbon. That's the yellow tram I was talking about, guys. This is the yellow tram and it goes from top to the bottom. And that's the tuk-tuk right in front of you. We call it auto rickshaw here in India. Because it spoils the naturality of the video. You cannot listen to the cars, or you cannot listen to the locals speak, whatever the natural sound which you cannot get. Guys, have a close look. I was almost killed by the tram right now. Actually, I'm entering this passage from the right hand side, and the tram is coming from above. You can see the tram coming from there, and I didn't see that. I'm just going inside. So the tram was came there, and just walked back just to save myself. I was safe. So my humble advice is you have to be very careful whenever you are taking video and photo and whatever. So you have to be very very careful. You never know. I was lost here, like because of the tram. I got shocked, so I didn't know where to go. I was wondering. So this is how we travel. Like we walk as we wish, because we don't know where we are going, where we are coming. We just walk. I'm almost on the top of the hill. Like this is the hill view. It's the topmost place in Lisbon. So the view from here is very beautiful, spectacular view from here. So it was luckily a beautiful day. See the blue skies. It's a pretty day. Just have a look at the stone wall. It's like very strongly built, because Lisbon had an earthquake back in 1755. So they started the construction after 1 year. Like whatever they constructed was based on the earthquake. So they just built the whole city, keeping in mind about the earthquake, the tsunami. So everything is built very strongly here in Lisbon. The construction is outstanding. There you can see our ship. That's where I work. So see this wall. That's a beautiful one. It's a beautiful place. See the view from here. So this is the view. It's the topmost view of Lisbon. Guys, hope you like the video. Please support me. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.